In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Beehiiv billing error step by step so you can get your account back on track without wasting time guessing what went wrong. Billing issues can happen for a few different reasons, like an expired card, an invalid billing address, bank restrictions, or a failed payment on your current plan. The good news is that most Beehiiv billing errors are usually easy to solve once you know where to look. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Settings area. This is where Beehiiv keeps all of your account and billing options, so that is always the best place to begin when you run into a payment issue. After you open Settings, click on Billing and Plan. Here you'll be able to see your current subscription details, your billing status, and any issues connected to your account. Now, check your current plan status carefully. If you are on a paid plan, billing problems are often tied to the payment method on file. Look for any alerts, warnings, or failed payment messages. If Beehiiv is showing a billing error, there is usually a reason attached to it, and that clue can help you fix it faster. Next, verify that your payment method is valid. If your card has expired, been replaced, or was canceled by your bank, Beehiiv will not be able to process the charge. Update the expired credit card details right away and make sure everything is entered correctly. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code before saving the changes. After that, check that the billing address matches the card. This part is very important because even one small mismatch can cause a payment to fail. Make sure the name, street address, city, state, and zip code are all consistent with what your bank has on file. If the address is different, update it so it matches exactly. Another common reason for Beehiiv billing errors is bank restrictions. Make sure your bank allows online payments and international payments if Beehiiv charges are processed that way. Sometimes, a card works fine for everyday purchases, but gets blocked when used for a software subscription. If you suspect that might be the issue, contact your bank or card provider and ask them to allow the transaction. Once you've confirmed your payment details, retry the payment. Go back to the billing section and attempt the charge again if Beehiiv gives you that option. In many cases, the payment will go through as soon as the card details and billing address are corrected. If it still fails, don't worry. There are a few more things to check. Look for any failed payment notifications in your Beehiiv account or email inbox. These notifications often explain whether the issue is due to insufficient funds, a declined card, or a problem with verification. Reviewing those messages can save you a lot of time because they often point directly to the source of the billing error. You should also review invoices in the billing section. This helps you confirm whether a payment is still pending, failed, or already processed. Sometimes the issue is not the card itself, but a specific invoice that needs to be retried or updated. Checking invoices gives you a clearer picture of what is happening behind the scenes. If you have more than one saved card or payment method, remove duplicate or old payment methods if needed. Keeping outdated cards in your account can sometimes create confusion when Beehiiv tries to bill the wrong one. Clean up any old payment details so the correct card is the only active option. If the issue still isn't fixed, try a different payment card. This is often the quickest way to confirm whether the problem is with the card itself or with the account settings. If a second card works, then the first one may be blocked, expired, or not set up for recurring online billing. At this point, one of these steps usually solves the problem. Most Beehiiv billing errors come down to a card issue, a billing address mismatch, or a bank approval problem. Once everything is updated correctly, your subscription should process normally again. So, to quickly recap, log into Beehiiv, go to Settings, open Billing and Plan, check your current plan status, verify your payment method, update expired card details, confirm the billing address matches, make sure your bank allows the charge, retry the payment, review failed payment notifications and invoices, remove old payment methods, and try another card if needed. If this tutorial helped you fix your Beehiiv billing error, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.